little bit. Okay, when it is corner, tiba the corner. Do you understand my language?
No, I don't understand.
Do we have a own language?
yeah, we have.
How do you say the good morning?
Good morning, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yeah, bonjour.
French.
In French, yeah.
Bonjour, ça va bien?
Yeah, ça va
Merci
bien.
beaucoup.
Yes, merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Yeah,
All
merci
this
beaucoup.
your own language?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Right now we talk to the friend. The Korean people. I'm a Korean. Do you know Korean?
Korean.
K-A-R-E-N.
Korean.
No, not Korean. Karen.
Korean, yeah.
K A. Can you put in the your
Yeah,
phone?
Korean
K?
is.
Karen. K.
Karen is K.
No. You go to YouTube.
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah, go YouTube, and then you write down the Karen. See, we talk a little bit. People see 90 people right now.
Right now? Oh,
See,
wow.
people view.
Whoa.
Very fun.
You're watching.
Yeah, because you are a beautiful guy.
Oh, really? They put the comment?
Yeah, see, yeah.
They put the comment?
Yeah,
Like-
comment here. Comment 3 people think.
Oh, yeah?
Okay,
Let's
write
see the
out Karen.
comment.
K-A
A
Apple. Yeah, R-E-N.
R-E-N.
Okay.
Yeah.
Set. No. Just go back. Karen New Year. Can you put New Year? Karen New Year.
Karen New Year. Like this, right?
K-A-R-E-E.
Oh,
E-N.
E-N. Oh, yeah.
No,
I see.
I-N.
Karen New Year, yeah.
Yes.
Year. Like this, right? Karen New Year.
X. Can you put S? Yeah. Set.
Okay.
You
Oh,
see the current. See? This
Oh,
current.
yeah.
This
This
my.
Karen, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
can see the.
I'm from Kothule.
Oh,
Me, I'm from
okay.
Kothule.
Kothule.
Do you have a Burma? Burma.
No.
Thailand.
Thailand, no.
No Thailand?
No Thailand.
Okay. Tito ko na when tito ko niya wawa puro guy niya when me are you from Congo, right?
Congo Brazzaville.
Brazzaville city,
Yeah.
capital city.
No, capital is Brazzaville.
Okay.
The name of the capital is Brazzaville.
Okay.
The name of the country is Congo.
Okay, this year November I will be back. I will go back my country.
For almost
And you will follow
how
me.
many months? Yeah, we'll follow you. Of course, you're gonna buy me a ticket.
We will fight the Burmese.
Burmese, okay.
Yeah, we will fight the Burmese. The Burmese people, the Burmese military.
They are nice.
No, the Burmese military is take a course right now.
Wow.
The K people. That's why I need you to go with me and help me. We Korean people. We fighting the Burmese army. Okay.
Okay.
I will give you gun. Okay.
Yeah.
We take 3 airplanes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 47 hours. We go. Okay.
Yep.
Do you like rice? Do you like rice?
Yeah.
Rice. You eat rice, right?
Yeah. Eat rice. I eat rice. Spaghetti. You know spaghetti?
No.
No, you don't know spaghetti? Oh.
Spaghetti is good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, my friend, can you tell me about your country history a little bit, please?
But my country is good. People, they are nice people. They're so. Yeah.
How about the government?
The government is not too good, you know, because some people suffering, you know. It's like now. Congo is not like in Canada, you know. The government don't take care of people really good, you know. The system is not good, yeah. Not good.
Not 100% good.
No.
Not like a Canada government.
No.
Oh, yeah?
Like Canada.
It's
take care of
Congo.
people.
Congo is Congo is Africa, right?
Yeah, in Africa. Yeah.
Africa.
Congo
Okay.
is in Africa,
Yeah, Congo is a democracy country. Democracy.
yeah.
How many languages do you speak?
You speak French, you speak Lingala, we speak Congo.
Lingala.
Yeah, Lingala.
What's Lingala?
Lingala is the language we speak in Congo. If I say Mbote, Mbote.
Bote?
Mbote is made high.
Bote, no Russia booty, right?
Yeah. No.
I went to the Kora, Tibu the Kovo, Kola Supo, Kola Wapo, đi so kena per ara papa ke lu paganyo atachi chota chu paganyo ge klo do ke le ma chu paganyo thi lo ko pu ke si ko ne pu ba re we si เราพบกล้วยมือเราพบแม่เรามาจากที่ก่อตะเลทอเลทอสก็เอาไว้สิพาให้เราเลยแอฟริกาเลยกงโกเนาะ
Yeah.
Yes, nice guy. Yeah, I meet him. Really glad. Okay, how long you have been here?
In Canada?
Yes.
8 years.
8 years.
Yeah. 8 years.
Do you have girlfriend?
Yeah, I am girlfriend. Yeah.
How
She's
many?
Canadian. Oh, just one.
Okay. Okay, talk to my friend a little bit. So, my friend, what do you 40
Yeah.
people?
Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm his Keke Life
friend.
friends. Yeah. So.
My name is U.
Keke.
Karen.
Karen. Yeah.
Yeah, Karen people.
Karen people. Yeah.
Not Korea, okay?
Yeah. I
Now
know.
you know, right?
Now I
you know
know.
Karen people.
Yeah. Now I know.
Yeah. Visit my country. Visit my country. My country is beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful
One day I will.
weather. Yeah, cheap food.
Cheap food?
Yeah, cheap.
Oh, wow.
Everything
That's nice.
cheap.
That's nice. That's nice.
Expensive air ticket.
Expensive air ticket. Oh,
Cheap
nothing
food, expensive. Because
Oh, wow.
47 hours we take airplane.
Really?
Yeah, 24.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, if you go my country, you don't want to come back in Canada. You know?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Beautiful lady.
It's not too cold like in Canada.
Oh my
not too cold.
God,
It's
not
good.
too cold.
Okay. One day I will.
Okay, my friend, if you go with me,
Yeah.
I will give you girl and fight in Burmese army with me, okay? Okay? Okay. แต่ว่าจะเป็นที่ตะกออยู่อ่ะช่วยที่ก็ได้เนาะ Oh, what you say? Hi, hi, guy, come here. Okay, read the comment. Good
Yeah.
night. Good night, they sleep, okay?
Oh, the sleep is
Yeah.
okay.
Hi, guy, can I hurt my Korean people? See, I showed you before Korean people. Where the message? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I told you Korean people. The smile make peace. Whatever.
Peace,
Korean.
Oh.
The smile make peace.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's
Maybe
nice.
beautiful lady, yeah?
Oh, you're in your country, beautiful lady? In your
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Ako ni pagkabari mo rin ko ni asu pabari awa pabari wala macho pagli pabamacho pabari da aweti kami to ko bomba da po marko de po ko ni ne pabari na ti ko pabari ako ni one day I will go visit you in the Congo, right?
Okay. No
Okay,
problem.
and you visit me in my country, current state.
Yeah.
My
We start
country,
to Congo.
current state.
Your current state.
Yeah. Now you know Korean, right?
Now I know.
Never say Korea.
Korean, yeah.
Karen.
Karen, yeah.
Am I Korean?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay, what do you say?
Because I don't want to live in a refuge camp. In a world life, we are in freedom. Oh, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we need you fighting for freedom with me. We need independence.
Independent, yeah.
We need a self-determination. We need country.
Yeah.
We need independence.
People, yeah, you have to fight for that.
Yeah.
That's nice, that's nice.
That's why I told you you have to hurt me to fight him.
I will help you. I will help you. Of course.
Cause whole country, Google, the guy follow me.
That's nice, that's
I will
nice.
pay air ticket. Okay, guy.
Okay,
got
see you
to do
guys.
it, huh? What is it?
Yeah.
Korean people is rice, okay? Remember,
Oh,
Korean people is
yeah.
rice.
Mm.
You like rice, right?
Yeah, I like this.
Okay, tabula yo chui tu ko de awe eba po kanya phu chi ko la no. Do you like rice?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. See you. He say see you. Yeah, see you. Bye bye.
See you, bye.